can give you three distinct occasions that residents throughout the United States has turned to NACRA for help. One was on the taxes on imputed interest. As a result of the residents' concern that we got 52,000 letters through the leading age system into the U.S. Congress getting that law repealed. The next one was on caps on physical and occupational and speech therapy. As a result of those caps, we had 55,000 letters to go through the leading edge computer system to the U.S. Capitol getting those caps extended. Way before the states got active at all on the issue of return to home, NACRA got a U.S. bill passed to require that communities return residents from the hospital to their own nursing home and not plant them out all over the city. When the community in Huntsville, Alabama got in bankruptcy condition, Mr. Al Setlow, that was the Residents Council, the first person he called was me as the president of NACRA, wanted help. I put out a call over our community wire to all the state and community presidents and about 100 other residents wanting to know if they had any suggestions. 3 attorneys come forward, give them some advice. I immediately went to the board member who lives down in St. Andrews, South here in Florida, and asked him to talk to his ex-president and tell them what a great community that was and see if they wanted to consider buying it. As a result, the ex-corporation did buy it, leave it a not-for-profit community, and it is thriving now, and all resident contracts were supported.